Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in. I hope you do enjoy your stay. If you are new to the channel, I just want to say thank you for all the support you show on all my videos. So today I decided to have my coffee before my girls wake up. I'm a mom of 3 girls. I woke up a bit late today and the house was messy because last night we came back very late after taking the girls out. If we don't go home during whatever holidays, we always have to make it up to them to have like a bit of fun. So we were all tired. I just took a bath and went straight to bed last night.
Works that were done also in Kefalo, they became indifferent to the works. And
it keeps me holding on. Fear not, I am with you. Your love is where I belong.
So you might be confused what I mean by building a home if you don't see any cement or any building material. Building a home as a homemaker, for me personally, it means creating warm, inviting space, especially for the people who lives in it, which is my family. This is the church that I used to minister at or go to, but it's a bit far from me now. I really don't want a church that is far, especially because I should take the girls with me. So I have stopped going there, but I still listen to their online services. I'm just going to continue to clean with you guys while we are chatting about our homes. Don't mind the blankets, baby. Nalo enjoys being on the floor. Not that anyone sleeps there, so the blanket should be on the floor almost every day.
What's wrong? Not taking. Sorry, taking. Come and take a chunk.
Lord, without you, I would be in the
So, sini saben?
life of never
Oh, stick model.
Oh, oh. Uyantivitiya kanti. Manje la tunjani?
I should take care of my pinafore. I got it from my mom, but now it's torn on the side. And baby Snallow doesn't like it at all. You guys, I had to quickly take a bath after she woke up and after she ate. I am so grateful for this guy that maintains the garden around here. He is the one who washed my rugs, so now the house smells really fresh. I am so happy. I started with the living room first because the girls immediately when they're up already, you guys can hear them. I need to quickly make their breakfast, and then when they're done eating, they'll take a bath, and then afterwards they will like sit here. It will be a mess, but that is the mess that I love. That is the mess that I'm grateful for, even if I have to do it over and over again. I do apologize if you hear certain noise, you guys, while I'm editing this video. This is the only chance I could get when baby is asleep, and she sleeps very late lately. But I'm grateful because she can sleep the entire night. So building a home for me means creating or cooking from scratch, using what I have instead of feeling the pressure from the society that I should buy everything and anything all the time just to fit in. At first I used to be like that, you guys. I used to feel like I don't have much, I don't have a lot, until I watch another Christian homemakers, see them creating meals from scratch, using what they have, not fancy meals but balanced meals, because we cannot always have vegetables. The girls are not used to have only vegetable meal, but I do try to balance whatever I'm preparing for them, and also I do try to ensure that they have water. I had to start this side, the living room as mentioned, and also here, you guys, because when I started cleaning everyone was asleep, so I didn't want to disturb them, but I would have loved to clean the bedrooms first before I can come this side, but it's okay. I think I'll go tomorrow, but I won't take you guys along because I had to pack and iron the uniform for the girls' previous school, so that Mzabisi can take it there while he's filling any final documents for the girls. I'm so grateful for my community on YouTube, you guys. The uniform that we were using, we were blessed, we were gifted by one of you. I really do appreciate you, Mama, and I'm so happy that I was able to maintain and keep the uniform in a good condition for another child to use. It also has all your tracksuit, your warm stuff for the school, and also I will give the school the other backpack that Utlelo was supposed to use, but she ended up not using. I thought she will need it, but she didn't really need it, so I'm happy that I'm giving away things that are in a very good condition. I am almost done, you guys. I hope you are still enjoying this video. How are these cucumbers taste, you guys? Please do leave me a comment. One of my colleagues from the market gave me those, and also these flowers. I just need to arrange them well. It is so nice to build relationship that are always fruitful wherever you go, you guys. It's so rewarding, especially if people notices that you are not there, but they still like think of you. This just warms my heart. I am not at the market currently because my aunt is at home. I think we will call her in February. She doesn't assist us full time, you guys, because we cannot afford to have her full time. I will start more work in February, so that's when I will ask her to come and assist us with the girls as we work very awkward shift with my business. And I'm grateful for my husband because he's the one who is like my business partner, but that I am not paying. So Melinda, the lady who is selling vegetables and plants, she's the one who gave these to Mtabis, and I was so happy to find them on my table. I'm so grateful that even though we cannot afford to always buy new pieces, I find joy and happiness in everything that we have in our home. Our home is thrifted, you guys. Most of the pieces are thrifted. You might know that from our previous home tour, which is very recent. So we don't really buy new pieces. Sometimes you might hear me saying laundry never ends, but then when you think of it, if I was not doing it for everyone, I don't think I will be more content than I am today. So building my home means doing those endless laundry, doing dishes all the time. When my people are done eating, the girls normally do and assist with the dishes. It's also my way of teaching them to like clean after themselves. But today I decided to do it myself, because you guys, I did mention that yesterday it was a bit of a mess, so it was a lot for them to handle. I decided to just do everything myself. Building my home means having a home for everything, knowing where the spoons are, knowing where the soap is for everyone in the family. That's like building a functional home for me. What's also helped me to like accept and take care what I already have was to stop consuming content where there'll be like a lot of unboxing all the time, especially luxury stuff that I cannot afford. Sometimes I will feel like I'm not working enough, or maybe my husband doesn't take care of the home well, so I just stopped watching or consuming that kind of content, you guys, and I shift my focus more on what I already have and what is it that I can find ways to take care of my home. Even before the renovations, I would like iron all clothes, mend them with nickel if need be, mop the floors. Like, I'll take care of my home even though it was not meeting the standards of the society, but because I wanted to find joy in what I'm doing instead of complaining, I had to do it for also my sanity. I thought I will do like a separate video for this, but now that you are here, let me just share this, you guys. I was trying to participate in a no spend January, but it was so unrealistic for me because I had to the schools are reopening. I just noticed very late that the girls don't have like enough when it comes to their school lunches. We are running out of our freezer meals, so I need to cook and buy more meat, maybe probably the third week of January. But I think for the whole of December we didn't like buy any meat, so we were doing so good so far. Now I'm having my breakfast, you guys. I'm only eating at 12 for now for some reason, so these are the things that we are using to top up with for this week. But for other things like doing my hair, I'm still not going to do it in January. I don't know about February. Maybe I might try to grow my afro or do cornrows. We will see. But January, I don't want to. Now it's no longer a no spend at all. It will be a less spend and only on necessities. You guys can see that it is the things that we need. The girls, baby's food, my milk, because it helps me a lot. It's not just milk for me, but it does really help me. So for such, I think that's what we will spend on. And also I'm preparing for smoothies. I want to freeze these mangoes. We do have frozen strawberries in the freezer and it's very hot. The girls are enjoying smoothies a lot lately, so I just throw in different fruits and then we enjoy it. I'm thinking of adding those cucumbers if they are cucumbers, but do correct me if I'm wrong. I don't even know the name for them if they're not cucumbers. It's the first time I'm going to like eat them. I'm used to the normal cucumbers, like the long one. I am preparing cabbage and lamb bones today for lunch. You guys might have seen that pot I used in gas cylinder to try and save like on electricity. Thank you so much for being with me. I hope you did enjoy this video. Bye for now.